So hello friends, I am going to show you how to install WhatsApp in desktop. So for that I have to search WhatsApp Microsoft Store in Cortana. So now I am just going to type here Microsoft Store. So let me start typing. The result for Microsoft Store will come, and now I have to just click on open. After that I'll just search WhatsApp, and from there the top result will be I'll be clicking on that. After that, in my case it is showing install, but in your case it will show get it now. So just click it or click on that. After you own the software, then just click on install. So now the WhatsApp is going to get installed. Okay, so now my WhatsApp is installed. I'll just click on the launch button and it will get open. It will take some time as it is the first start, but it will surely open in a few seconds. So now as my WhatsApp is open, I'll just go to my mobile phone and open WhatsApp. From here I'll click on the three dots, and after that select WhatsApp web. So after that I'll just scan the QR code and it will automatically show the loading screen, and tada! The WhatsApp is open on your desktop. Now just make it full screen. You can send messages, do video call, and everything from WhatsApp desktop as you do in your normal phone.